Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off your headphones Sony XM5. But for now, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. So in order to turn on your headphones, you need to search for the power button and hold and press it for 3 seconds, and you will see the blue indicator. Now it indicates us that our headphones are on. So to turn off our headphones, we need to hold this button one more time for about 3 seconds. And we see that indicator blue will stop blinking. Now they are off. Also, your headphones can automatically turn off for 15 minutes when you don't use the device. This option you can turn off in the app Sony Headphones Connect. So we are in the system section. Swipe down a little bit and you can see the parameter automatic power off. You can also switch to do not turn off automatically. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.